kind of cool. We're right in the middle of this battery factory, right in the midst of everything going on.
Exactly, that's right in the middle. That's where we put the modules together, and that will form a battery pack that powers the Model 3.
How many humans actually work here?
There are 7,000 employees at this site.
7,000.
7,000 employees, yeah.
And several hundreds of robots.
Several hundred.
So this is the heartbeat of
Absolutely,
Tesla,
yeah.
the heartbeat of the Model 3.
This factory for us, we call it the Giga factory, is one, when it's fully built, we're about only 30% built, will be one of the largest, if not the largest building in the world. Yeah? It's already the factory that produces the most battery of any factories on the planet. It's very important for us to do everything under one roof, from building the cells to the modules to the pack, because it reduces logistic costs and it allows us to lower the cost and make a more affordable vehicle.
Man, look at all these moving parts.
Yeah, we're sorting all the batteries and the cells to make the battery, and we're batching them at the right length, the right amount.
Wow. So during this year that was so difficult because you were ramping up to such a huge degree, how much did Elon Musk push and push and push?
He pushed a lot. It's not only him. I did too, and everybody, all the teams pushed very hard. Yeah, spending very long hours here, some all-nighters. You know, I did not sleep in the factory.
You did not.
I did not. But Elon did sleep here, even on the roof. Yeah, so.
Slept on the roof.
He slept on the roof. Yeah.
Wow. So this
it's
year.
It's a beautiful scenery. Yeah. It gets a little cold at night.
Well, did Elon come here to be a cheerleader? You know, to kind of juice up the energy?
Well, I think Elon is a leader. At times he's a cheerleader. At times he pushes you a little bit beyond your comfort zone. And I've been working with him for 8 years very closely. And it's always at the limit of the comfort zone. And this is what it takes. You know, what we're trying to do is very difficult, and it's not going to happen just by cruising. You know, there's a lot of innovation, a lot of technology, and we're doing this to make the vehicle less expensive, so that more people can afford them, and more people can drive electric.